falling chairs from the sky. No, just a joke. No, I mean something that you design and you're happy, and then it replicates, and then you're dreaming about it, and it's all like duplicating.
I think engage more people into making this is my heaven, a piece being used by multiple people.
So my heaven, I'm actually living my dream right now. I moved out of a job which was fun. I was a cinematographer for Incredible India for 15 years, and I moved into something new to learn. So, and I'm enjoying the learning part of it. I love it. Use it a lot. Use it for everything.
Yeah. Even for brainstorming, designing, making. Where do you stop?
I don't think I've sent out an WhatsApp message without using AI right now. I use it for everything.
Especially for work. When do you stop? When do you say, okay, this is it?
It's a great kickoff point. It's a great starting off point. It's not. It's not an end goal at all, but it's a great place to jump off from and get started.
I mostly use it for like exploring some knowledge in my initial days, like learning about wood. Why, if I have some specific questions, what's happening in the the biochemistry of the wood, then instead of like the
I think if you look it as a tool, then it's fine because tools can be used, right? Like you guys we make furniture or anything, we need tools. So if you look at AI as a tool, then I think it's fine. But if you uh, look AI as a way to do your things, then it becomes very difficult for people to survive.
So I was trying to render something, and then oh my god, the amount of prompt I gave, because what you visualize, it's hard to give the exact prompt because it reads things very different from what the way you think. It's another learning itself to give prompt to even render, etc. But in my case, I was doing lighting, but modeling the curvature for me was a little different in the software that I was using. So, but the AI could do it faster in that case actually. So that was very helpful. But then there are enormous. I mean, you have to put enormous amount of work to get the output right, and that has to go. I mean, the AI will also help you in writing the prompt because it tells you, ask the right question that give me this information, and adds helps you to add more and more. But you still cannot get what's in your mind. It just cannot give you that 100%. Only you can deliver